Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro device, and now I can show you how to set up action button on this device. First, open settings and scroll down. Find here action button and just change the function of this button. For example, camera. Open the camera app to capture a moment. And here you can change the function to photo, selfie, video, portrait or portrait selfie. You can enable focus mode, you can enable torch, magnifier, shortcut, accessibility, or just no action, just like nothing. You can try it. It's cool but useless. Okay, so for example, I want to use voice memo. And now, even my smartphone is hidden, I can just click and hold on this button and recording starts. You can say that it's the sound of recording, but by very easy way you can disable the sound and then just quietly enable or disable the voice memos. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.